Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Welcome to Bolivar Live's Vacation Rental Preview, where each week we're going to take you inside a home. We're going to show you inside, outside, where it's located, the view from the home, and the amenities the home has to offer. Let's check out this week's home and see what it has to offer, whether you're here for a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation. Follow me. Today we're at Splash, a beachfront home with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, a gourmet kitchen, and an amazing deck overlooking the Gulf of Mexico. This 3-bedroom home, the master suite, holds a king bed, the guest bedroom has a king bed, and the 3rd bedroom has 3 bunk beds. Splash is a bright and airy, gorgeous beachfront. This stylish 3-bedroom, 3-bath home on the beach includes vaulted ceilings with a wall of windows overlooking the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico. A huge deck with tall chairs for an unobstructed view of pelicans and dolphins playing in the surf, and includes a private path to the beach. A gourmet kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless appliances, toaster, blender, Keurig coffee maker, and everything you need for your memory-making vacation. Security cameras under the home overlook the driveway. Linda D. in January 2023 said, "Love the house, very clean kitchen, well stocked, would definitely stay here again." Annette from September of 2022 said, "Great property with a wonderful view, loved our stay." Casseldra said, "We had such a great time. This home was perfect and steps away from the beach. The porch offered a perfect place to watch the sun rise and set and for stargazing. The house had everything we needed and more. Overall, it was a great experience and we really enjoyed our stay. We will definitely be back." Nicole wrote in May of 2022, "We absolutely love this property. It was so comfortable, had everything we needed, and was decorated so cute. The beach was just feet from the door. We had the best vacation here and will come back again for sure." Splash is hosted and managed by Bolivar Vacations. For more information on this home or other homes hosted and managed by Bolivar Vacations, please visit their website at www.bolivarvacations.com. For more information on Bolivar Peninsula, or to see it live through our 11 live webcams, please visit www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com. For more information on area businesses, restaurants, shops, stores, and more, and to see our event and live music calendar so you can make plans for your next vacation rental here on Bolivar Peninsula. I'm David with Bolivar Live. Join us next week on Thursday at 11 a.m. for another Bolivar Live Vacation Rental Preview, where we take you inside and out of a vacation rental here on Bolivar Peninsula, hosted and managed by BolivarVacations.com. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And come explore Bolivar Peninsula for an awesome vacation on the Upper Texas coast. God bless and bye-bye.